Rajesh Shah, the father of Mihir Shah, the main accused in Mumbai's latest BMW hit-and-run case, has now been suspended from the party by Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde 4 days after his arrest. Meanwhile, accused Mihir Shah has confessed that he was driving the car at the time of the accident, though he claims he wasn't drunk. Initial investigation by the police confirms that Mihir Shah was indeed behind the wheel at the time when that accident occurred. The accused told the police he was extremely frightened after the accident and his father Rajesh Shah arrived at the scene before he fled. The police will now investigate why Shah travelled to Virar separately from his family. Mihir Shah will be produced in court today, where the police will seek his further custody for interrogation. The BMW car driven by Mihir Shah allegedly rammed into a two-wheeler from behind in the Worli area of south-central Mumbai. The incident occurred in the wee hours of the 7th of July. The collision resulted in the death of 45-year-old Kaveri Nakhwa, who was riding pillion, while her husband Pradeep Nakhwa survived with injuries. Meanwhile, leader of the Shiv Sena UBT faction, Aditya Thackeray, met with the family of the victim and has asked the Maharashtra government to ensure that nobody is spared in this case. Remember, since the accident, Mihir Shah, the main accused, was on the run for at least 72 hours before the police managed to arrest him. He, according to police sources, has confessed that he was driving at the time of the fatal accident, but he claims that he wasn't drunk. Of course, questions will be asked about whether there can be any medical test at this point in time to ascertain whether he was driving under the influence of alcohol, given the time lapse that has occurred between the accident and now. His father, who is a Shiv Sena leader, Rajesh Shah, had earlier been arrested in connection with the case. Now he has in fact been suspended from his party post by the party chief and Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde.
I believe I have said this yesterday also in the assembly. This is not just a hit and run. This is not just an accident. This is a murder. Taking any victim, dragging her in the car for almost 2 kilometers and then reversing the car and dashing her again is an absolute outright murder. And I believe the strongest punishment in this country should be meted out to him.
Sir, times now is...
Sorry? See, the action can happen on anyone, but instead of anyone, I would like to see the bulldozer justice coming onto Mihir Rajesh Shah's house. You know, on day one, we kept our political decency and we said we will not like to politicize this case. But the fact is, if the accused was allowed to run away and hide for 60 hours, now you start thinking whether there was any politics in this, whether there was any political patronage in this. I would want to see absolute action on this. The bulldozer justice that is meted out to people here and there, on slums, on other people. I would want to see that bulldozer justice happening in this case.
So do you think that this is the entire conspiracy in this entire case, that there were attempts to cover this up?
I will still believe that there will be bulldozer justice, and I believe that there will be justice. I hope there will be justice. We are pursuing it. Aslam Sheikh ji, me, Hemangitai, all of us are here. We will be pursuing it, and when we form government, we will show what justice is.
ये जो लड़का है जो ड्रग्स के नशे में था और ये नशा जो है वो रिकॉर्ड में, मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड में नहीं आनी चाहिए, इसलिए 3 दिन तक उसको फरार किया था, छुपाया था और बाद में उनको लाया गया है, अरेस्ट किया है। मुंबई पुलिस के ऊपर भी शंका संदेह की बात आ सकती है। उसमें एक निरपराध महिला को जिस तरह से कुचल दिया लोगों ने नशे में, बार बार कुचल दिया, सड़क पर फेंक कर वापस कुचल दिया। आप देखिए वीडियो, ये तो बहुत ही अमानुष प्रकार है और ऐसी व्यक्ति कभी जेल से छूटनी नहीं चाहिए। अगर कोई कोशिश करेगा उसको छोड़ने का तो सड़क पर लोगों ने उसको जवाब पूछना चाहिए, पुलिस को और उनके जो आका है पॉलिटिक्स में, मंत्रालय में बैठे उनको भी। उनको बचाने की कोशिश पहले दिन से चल रही है, क्योंकि बेटे का जो बाप है वो एकनाथ शिंदे वाली शिवसेना का नेता है और बहुत ही रसूखदार आदमी है, पैसे वाला आदमी है।
ज्यादा से ज्यादा फांसी से भी ज्यादा उसको सजा होना चाहिए। बस
मेरे
बस
लड़की को न्याय मिलेगा, मुझे दूसरे कुछ नहीं मांगते मुझे।
फांसी से
उसका वैसा मेरे लड़की के साथ हुआ है वैसा ही हुआ।
3 दिन के बाद वो पकड़ा जाता है, इसका मतलब क्या है? अगर वो अल्कोहलिक नहीं था, अगर वो नशा नहीं किया, अगर वो दारू नहीं पिया है, अगर वो ड्रग्स नहीं किया, तो वो छुपा क्यों? मेरा मेन पॉइंट क्या है, वो छुपा क्यों? तुमने अगर गुनाह नहीं किया तो छुपा क्यों? 3 दिन गायब क्यों हो गया? हाँ, तुम रास्ते में गाड़ी छोड़ के उसका नंबर प्लेट तोड़ के तुम गायब हो जाता है। हाँ, घर पे नहीं जाता है, कहाँ जाता है, किधर जाता है? तुम छुपता क्यों रहा? अगर तू गुनाह नहीं किया ना, सच्चे दिल से गुनाह नहीं किया, तो तू छुपा क्यों है? हमको बताओ ना। अभी देखो 3 दिन के बाद उसके शरीर में तो अल्कोहल नहीं रहेगा, अब उसके पास 20 वकील रहेंगे। हम गरीब आदमी हैं, हमको कौन न्याय देगा? हमको न्याय देने वाला कौन है, बताओ आप। हाँ, आज वो क्या जेल में गया, परसों कोर्ट में हाजिर करेंगे, उसके बाद में उसको बेल मिलेगा, वो छूट गया। उसके बाद में केस चलता जाएगा, चलता जाएगा, कोई नहीं है, सब ठंडा हो जाएगा। क्या करेगा हम लोग?
Mihir Shah is nothing but an entitled brat. When the accident took place, the least one would have expected that you stop the car and take Kaveri to the hospital. What did he choose to do? He chose to drive with her for 1.5 kilometers, where the victim lost life. To draw up a bill of 18,500 rupees at a pub in Juhu and then say that you have not consumed alcohol shows you the kind of mindset of these entitled brats. There is no question of political insulation. Our Honorable Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister have interrogated 18 people. People have been arrested in this case, be it the family members of the culprit or the driver concerned. And one does have a takeaway.
ये कोस्टल के है, अटल सेतु है, ये कारशेड है, ये सब हम कर रहे हैं। ये अपोजिशन को दिखाई नहीं देते। हिट एंड रन में मैंने पहले दिन से इंस्ट्रक्शन दिए हुए हैं। पुणे का हिट एंड रन इंसिडेंट हो गया तब से। ये भी जब हुआ तो मैंने पहले पुलिस कमिश्नर को कहा कि इसमें कोई भी हो, कानून के सामने सब बराबर है, कोई बड़ा छोटा नहीं होता। और हिट एंड रन में जो दोषी है, जो गुनाहगार है, उनको बिल्कुल बख्शा नहीं जाएगा, उनके ऊपर कड़ी कार्रवाई हो जाएगी। उनकी जो भी है कोर्ट की कार्रवाई होगी, पुलिस की कार्रवाई होगी। और जो बार है, जो देर रात तक चलते हैं, पब है वहाँ पर, और अनैतिक जो कुछ ड्रग्स है, ये सब बेचने वाले जो है, उनके ऊपर भी कड़ी कार्रवाई करने का आदेश मैंने दिया हुआ है। इस केस में भी किसी को भी बिल्कुल सपोर्ट करना तो दूर की बात है, ये सभी लोग कानून के सामने, कानून के दायरे में एक समान है। और इसलिए मैंने ये इंस्ट्रक्शन पहले दिन में दिया है और कार्रवाई आप देख रहे हैं।
सर, राजेश शाह को आज आपकी पार्टी से निकाला गया, क्यों 4 दिन लग गए उनको पार्टी से निकालते हुए? क्योंकि इतने दिन से तो केस चल ही रहा है, नाम तो सामने आया ही था।
देखिए, पार्टी से निकालना, इससे जो गुनाहगार है उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई करना, इसको प्राथमिकता देनी चाहिए। और जो विक्टिम है उनको सपोर्ट करना, ये पहली बात है, वो प्राथमिकता है, उसको प्रायोरिटी देना है। ये पॉलिटिक्स करना है। मैं इतना ही कहूँगा कि कोई भी केस में गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से किसी को भी सपोर्ट नहीं किया जाएगा, किसी को भी मदद नहीं होगी। मेरे इंस्ट्रक्शन आपने देखे, पुणे में भी एक्शन हुई है और यहाँ भी आप देख रहे हैं एक्शन हो रही है, एक्शन होगी। किसी को भी छोड़ा नहीं जाएगा। कोई भी इलीगल काम करेगा उसको कानून छोड़ेगा नहीं।
सर, क्या आप मुआवजा देंगे? सर, क्या आप मुआवजा देंगे? सर, मुआवजा देंगे आप विक्टिम की फैमिली को?
उनके फैमिली के साथ हम लोग हैं। हमारे ही वो परिवार के लोग हैं, ऐसा मैं मानता हूँ। और निश्चित रूप से उनको भी जो सपोर्ट चाहिए, कानूनी सपोर्ट चाहिए, उनको आर्थिक सपोर्ट जो भी है वो कम करेंगे।
क्या आप अनाउंस करेंगे सर?
दिल्लीमध्ये महाराष्ट्राला मोठा पुरस्कार दिला जाणार आहे.
Such kind of confessions, they are meaningless unless and until they are proven in the court. The court will have a legal case. The court will try him for this thing, and it has to be proven, and it has to be established in the court that he was behind the wheel and he was driving the car when the couple was hit from behind and when the car was reversed, which ran over Kaveri Nakwa in that case. So that's the first thing. This is a normal procedure that the police go and ask the accused what happened on that particular day, what happened at that particular time, where was he driving the car, who was with him, what happened. So I think this kind of thing, this kind of information that yes, he was behind the wheels is a routine one. It has to be established in the court. That's thing number one. Second, this is a case of many contradictions as well. For example, whether he was under the influence of alcohol or any narcotic substance is another matter of debate. Now, why I'm saying this is a contradiction? Because the Maharashtra Excise Department has sealed the pub and has sealed the bar and the pub where he consumed, where he had partied with his friends. And why it was sealed? Because the rule says you cannot serve a liquor to a person who is below 25 years of age. Mihir Shah is 24, and for that reason, the bar has been sealed. And now, what the bar owner is saying that he did not serve any alcohol to these friends. So that means Mihir and his friends. They were served Red Bull, the energy drink. If Red Bull was served, why the bar was sealed? That means there is some kind of scope to raise a suspicion that alcohol was served, and that is the reason the bar has been sealed. If the bar has been sealed, that proves that alcohol was served to these friends. And if that is not the case, then why the excise department has taken the action? This is the contradiction. And again, I will come to the third point, which I want to tell the viewers in very details. See, what has happened, Mihir Desai left his car at Kalanagar in Badra. Then he went to Goregaon to his girlfriend's house. The girlfriend called his mother and his sister. Her name is Priya. Her name is Pooja. Sorry, her name is Pooja. Pooja comes from Borivali to Goregaon. She picks him up in her car. They go to a bungalow, a private bungalow in Yeur. Yeur is a forest area in Thane city, and I'm saying this Thane city is very close by to the chief minister's house. Chief Minister Eknath Shinde comes from Thane. This accused and his family members stayed in Yor for some time. Then he went to Virar and the family members went to Shahpur. Then from Virar, he traveled to Shahpur again, and from Shahpur to Virar again. So Mihir Shah was traveling from Bandra to Goregaon to Borivali to Thane to Virar to Shahpur and again to Virar. He was traveling for 3 days within the limits of MMR region, Mumbai metropolitan region, and it is impossible for a strong and very sensible and a very efficient police force like Mumbai police not to track the movement of his cars or his friends or his family. This is hardly impossible. I'm not willing to buy this theory that police were not aware of this thing.